Well, as you can tell by the title of the video, I had a Nest Thermostat here that the heater wasn't starting in the heat setting. Earlier that day I had one that showed no power from the red wire, and what it was the service door switch here. So of course I tried that first, tried pushing in the left side of the door to engage the service switch. It's a safety that shuts off the heater or shuts off the air conditioner when you open the service door to protect the service person. But that was not the case on this one. I had time to go a little bit deeper, search a little bit more. So I pulled off the deal here, checking the wiring, making sure all the wires have a good connection, and they did. Nothing wrong there. Reset the thermostat on the thermostat base, and still the heater would not turn on. So it's time to go a bit deeper. So yeah, the heater would not turn on at all here. Nothing moving it around. It just gives this delay time. So switching it over to the air conditioner, thought I'd check that out. Drop the temperature down, and it turned on no problem. Started right up. Yeah. So switching it back over and turning that back off. Don't want to run the AC, want to run the heat. What's going on? So switch back over here and look in the heat settings. Nothing, still wouldn't turn on. So I thought maybe it's a faulty thermostat. Okay, nice thing is I've got a few of these to change out with. This would be much trickier if I didn't have anything to change it with. So I can pop it in, take a look. Hopefully I can figure out some things. Okay, it did not turn on the heater in this unit either. So it seems that we have possibly a problem with the thermostat itself. Just to show you, trade back to the thermostat that was on here, and I believe it turns on right away. So here we go, heater, yeah, that's on. This unit's getting remodeled, so perfect one to test this out on. So either we have a bad thermostat, or we've got something in the programming of the thermostat. If it's delayed, we can wait the delay time, see if it actually turns on. Patching a few holes, I actually missed it, but it did not turn on. So either there's something in the thermostat, either we got a lemon, or I'm going to go through the programming and try to fix it. Let's see. Okay, what I'll probably do is just let's go into settings, and I may just reset the entire thing and start over. But let's try equipment first. Okay, continue. Test. Continue. Okay, keep tight. We've got electric. There it is. Click kicked on. That's what it was. So it's my setup is a hydronic heater, and so now I can actually switch this thermostat back just in case there was some programming done or whatnot. And I'll take this one back. All it was the setting for heat. This one needed to be switched to electric. So if you've got a Nest thermostat and your heater won't turn on, that's something you might check. Now on regular thermostats, there's usually a switch, a little tiny switch inside the thermostat that you switch from gas heating to electric heating. This one does it, it's a solid state device, so it does it electronically, and so I just needed to change that setting. Hope that saves you techs out there in the field. If you didn't have another thermostat that you could switch it with and troubleshoot, but now hopefully that gives you the answer. Is watch for that setup. Anyway, done deal. Thanks for watching. Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. Hope to spare you some headaches. Here's the thermostat back at its home. Next time, I won't need to change the thermostat at all, and neither will you. you'll know what to do. Just look for that switch. This one is done via the programming. Other thermostats use a switch to switch in between gas or electric heat. The Nest just does it via the programming.